Welcome back once more under Millionaire Mind Frequency 30 Days Attract Money Ritual Challenge, and you are listening to different money lessons. If you are listening this video for the first time, please refer the previous ones so that you can get a proper flow. So during earning, we are learning one lesson which are derived from Art of Wealth and Atharva Veda. That's why I refer to my notes so that I don't miss out any point. Rich people play money game to win. So cultivate a skill that pays you again and again. Poor people play the money game on defense rather than offense. Let me ask you, if you were to play any sport or any game strictly on defense, what are the chances that you are winning the game? Most people would say no chance of winning. Yes, that's exactly how most people play the money game. Their primary concern is survival and security instead of creating wealth and abundance. So, what is your goal? What is your objective? And what is your true intention of making money? Does it make sense? Are you playing a game of defense and survival? Or do you want to play a game of creation and wealth and abundance? The true goal of rich people is to have a massive wealth and abundance. So nothing is wrong if you are having a strong desire to earn money. Don't be allergic to money. Not just some money, but lots of money, and they know what exactly, how much is the figure. So what is the big goal of poor people? To have enough money to pay bills. When your intention is to have enough to pay bills, that's exactly how much you will get, just enough to pay bills and not anymore. Middle class people at least go a step further. Their big goal in life also happens to be their favorite word in the whole wide world. They just want to be comfortable. I hate to break the news to you now that there is a huge difference between being comfortable and being rich. If you are comfortable in whatever you are never going to become rich because you are not playing the game. I have to admit that I did not always know that, but because one of the reasons I believe I have right to even money manual or conduct this money workshop, because I had experience of being on three sides of powerful fence. I have been extremely broke. I have to borrow few rupees for the necessities of my life. But let me qualify that. Do you know how embarrassing is for asking money to survive? I don't know if you can relate, but it was definitely one of my financial low points and uncomfortable, just one of them. Once I got my act together, I graduated to be at level of being comfortable later on. People who are financially comfortable usually decide on what to eat by looking at the right side of the menu. Do you remember? Yes. When you are comfortable, you don't dare allow your eyes to look at the bottom of the menu. You might come across the most forbidden words is the middle class dictionary, the market price. If you would never ask what the price actually is, because you know that you cannot afford it. I have to say, for me personally, one of the best things about being rich does not have to look at the prices on the menu anymore. I eat exactly what I want to eat, regardless of the price. I can assure you, I did not do that when I was broke or comfortable. It boils down to this, that if your goal is to be comfortable, chances are you will never get rich. But if your goal is to be rich, chances are you will end up mightily comfortable. If your goal is to be comfortable, chances are you will never get rich. But if your goal is to be rich, chances are you will end up mightily comfortable. I have repeated for you twice. One of the principles we teach in this Millionaire Mind Frequency 5 days WhatsApp class, followed by 30 days action plan of execution of those rituals. If you shoot the stars, you will at least hit the moon. Poor people don't even shoot for the ceiling in their house, and then they wonder they are not successful. You get what you truly intend to get. If you want to get rich, your goal has to be rich, not to have only to pay enough bills, not just to have enough to be comfortable. Rich means rich, and I hope you have gone through one of the previous lessons of network where I have explained exactly, depending on your liquefiable cash and your net assets, how is comfortably rich and how is super rich. So stay tuned for the next money lesson.